Hey there, are you currently looking to build your home from scratch? Or have you been thinking about renovating your existing house? If yes, then you must be aware how crucial a good plumbing and drainage system is to ensure that your home and your family stays healthy for years to come. An inadequate plumbing system can lead to a number of problems that can make your day-to-day life difficult. Some of these problems include leakages, rusting of pipes, unsafe drinking water, clogging of drain, bad odors, low water pressure at shower heads, and more, which not only puts your health at stake but also causes damage to your property, increasing the frequency of maintenance required, thus wasting your precious time and money, as well as causing unnecessary inconvenience to all the family members. That is why Ajay Pipes is here to help you. As the go-to destination for reliable plumbing and drainage solutions, we will ensure that you never face untimely plumbing problems again and can live your life worry-free. Our advanced piping systems are developed with the goal of minimizing the need of maintenance while enhancing performance as well as the value for money you achieve. Over the past 56 years of service, every system we have produced covering over 1750 plus items, including hot or cold water plumbing and internal or external drainage system, has been tested across 101 critical parameters to ensure ease of installation as well as provide very high performance and durability. This helps us decrease the probability of issues like leakage, breakage, clogging and odors, which in turn means less to zero maintenance and no health problems. Also, we are the only company in India to offer up to 10-year extended warranty. The quality standards that we follow at Ajay Pipes is the very reason which has helped us become the most certified plumbing partner in India, with over 15 Indian and American certifications. Being the oldest PVC pipe company in India, today we have grown to an entity with 6 overseas offices, 9 warehouses across India, and 5 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants that serve millions of residential and commercial clients in more than 32 countries. In addition, our expert team in the field responding to customer queries within 4 hours has ensured that every client we serve is completely satisfied with their decision to choose Ajay Pipes. And if you too are ready to experience smart plumbing, get in touch with us today.